How to schedule a meeting in Webex. So Webex is basically an American company that develops and sells web conferencing, video conferencing, and contact center as service application. You can create a meeting easily in this website. First thing you want to do is go to your browser and search for Webex. Then click on this very first link. It will take you to the official website of Webex. Now from here you can sign up. If you don't have an account, you can sign up, and if you already have an account, you can simply log in. I'm just going to sign up for my new account. Now it will take you to the login portal where you can choose different options like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, and Apple. I'm just going to go with my Google account. It will ask me to choose my Google account. I'm going to choose my account, then click on continue. Now what you want to do is enter your email address, and it will directly take your login info. And here it will ask you to enter your name and your password. Just click on confirm sign up. Now it will take a while to load and create your new account, but once it's done, you should be able to create a new video or new video conference. So what you want to do is you can download the app here. I'm just going to continue on this web browser. If you want, you can download the app. So here I'm just going to continue in my browser, and as you can see, I have successfully logged into Webex. Now what I want to do is click on schedule a meeting, and this will take me to the meeting settings. As you can see here, you can change your meeting topic or title, and you can change your date and time here, your start time, your end time, and you can choose the timeline from any of these cities. Once you do that, you can add your description and then click on schedule. And this will automatically schedule a meeting for this time right here. Now, if you want to invite members to your meeting, you can copy this link and send it to your members or clients. And that's how you can schedule a meeting in Webex. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.